Yo, so you want to become a barber? I've been doing this for about 6 years now, so I'm sure I can help you out. So the most common question that I get is, where do I start? Well, there's many ways to start becoming a barber. And if you're already laughing at me because I say barber, not like barber, I'm Australian, I'm not American, so shut up. So the most common question I get is, where do I start barbering? When I just say, just start, that can be a very loaded answer because there's so many different ways to start being a barber. Most traditional way people start is they just go into a barber shop, ask for an apprenticeship, and then hit that apprenticeship for 2 to 3 years. But sometimes I think that can be a bit of a waste of time. Best way that I would say for starting a barber is just go buy some shit clippers from Kmart or online somewhere, watch some how to beginner barber videos on YouTube, get a couple of mates together that trust you, and just start cutting hair. Best thing about cutting hair is that the hair always grows back. So even if you fuck up, it grows back. It's not like tattoos. When you fuck up tattoos, you fuck up bad. So yeah, just go try it, give it a go. Just all trial and error. Hands-on is the best approach. Just start cutting your friend's hair before even going to go get an apprenticeship. Number 2 on how to become a barber. The other ways of becoming a barber are going through a traditional route, going to a barber shop, hitting an apprenticeship. You can also just go into a barber shop and ask the barber there if you can just watch and learn from them as they cut hair, and then you can go apply that at home with your mates. Because the big thing before you jump into an apprenticeship is that you don't want to jump into something that you think that, it might be cool, and then you jump into it and you're just like, oh, I actually don't like this. So the best way of starting anything is just taste it a little bit, see what it's like, and then jump into something and make a decision. Third way to become a barber is go through a TAFE course. If you're in Australia right now, TAFE offer Cert 3s and Statement of Attainments. If you're in America and England, there's different ways of doing it. There's barber schools and stuff like that, which is cool. But if you're in Australia and you want to become a barber, going through TAFE is the most common way to get your certificate. I don't agree with TAFE on how they do things because they're very backwards with their shit, not just through barber courses, but through all the other courses that they do. But if you want to get that certificate, TAFE is the way to go. TAFE will teach you stuff around hairdressing and the structures of hairdressing for women with some elements of men's hair cutting, but it's not going to be the best practices. The best way that you're going to learn about barbering is through an actual barber shop from other barbers. All right, number 4. So once you've started cutting hair, whether it's your mates or you're in a shop, promote yourself on Instagram. The best way to get new clients in and then start getting regular clients. If you post your progression of you becoming a barber or you being a barber for a couple of years, clients love to see your progression with your haircuts. They need to see your work, what you do. Like, they need to go, hey, I'm gonna go to that barber because he does fresh fades, or hey, he's really cool, I like to go to see him, or whatever it is. So using social media to promote yourself as a barber is really key. Reasons using social media for barbering is that if you say, for instance, have appointments today and you post something today, us guys tend to forget that we need haircuts. So if you can remind them that they need haircuts, you're more likely to get more appointments because you're reminding them that they need haircuts. It's just basic marketing anyway. 5th thing, this is not so much like a tip to become a barber, but this is when you become a barber or start becoming a barber. Remember to take breaks. This means taking breaks throughout the day when you're cutting hair. So if you're cutting between like 10 to 20 haircuts a day back to back, remember, take half an hour throughout the day to just relax, eat food, just get your mind rested for a minute. Barbering can be the best job in the world, but if you're not taking breaks throughout the day, you are going to die. You need to eat, you need to rest, you need to just chill out for a minute. Another thing is take breaks every couple of months for like a weekend or a week from cutting hair, because when you are talking to so many people throughout the day and just producing creativity through your haircuts, it's very draining. So you need to take rest to then be inspired again to then keep cutting. Because so many times I've seen before from barbers, even from myself, where I'll just stop for months on end because I'm burnt out from cutting hair back to back every single day, and the enjoyment of cutting hair has completely gone. So they're my 5 tips. Let me know in the comments below what helped you, and if you are becoming a barber, I have some fun courses coming out very soon, which I'm going to share with everyone. For anyone that wants to become a barber, check out my other videos and please sub.